Apple has been working on a foldable iPhone for years, and new leaks are finally revealing how this futuristic device could actually work in everyday life. The biggest questions have always been about how apps will run, how the cameras will be designed, and whether Apple has managed to solve the durability problems that many foldable phones face today. Now, fresh reports are giving a clearer picture of what Apple's first foldable smartphone might look like and how it will function. The foldable iPhone is expected to introduce a new version of iOS that is specially designed for its large folding display. Instead of simply stretching normal apps across a bigger screen, Apple is reportedly redesigning the way apps behave when the phone is unfolded. The goal is to create an experience that feels closer to a small tablet while still keeping the familiar simplicity of the iPhone. When the foldable iPhone is opened, the large internal display will provide much more space for apps to use. To take advantage of this space, many iOS apps will reportedly feature sidebars similar to those found on tablet-style interfaces. These sidebars can show extra options, tools, or navigation menus without crowding the main content area. However, Apple does not appear to be turning the foldable iPhone into a full tablet replacement. The device will still run iOS rather than a tablet operating system. This means the experience will stay simpler than what is seen on tablets, while still taking advantage of the larger display. The external screen of the foldable iPhone will behave more like a traditional smartphone. Apps running on this smaller display will look and function almost exactly like they do on current iPhones. This allows users to quickly check messages, browse apps, or make calls without needing to unfold the device every time. Once the phone is opened, the experience changes dramatically. The wider internal display allows apps to expand and show more content at once. Developers are also expected to redesign many apps so they work better in landscape mode, making the foldable iPhone more useful for productivity and entertainment. Multitasking will also become a major part of the foldable iPhone experience. The device will reportedly allow two apps to run side by side on the internal display. This means users could watch a video while replying to messages, browse the web while taking notes, or manage emails while checking documents. Even though multitasking is coming to the foldable iPhone, Apple is keeping the system simpler than what is found on larger tablets. The interface will likely focus on ease of use instead of offering complicated window management features. Camera design is another interesting area where Apple has made some important decisions. Reports suggest that the company initially experimented with an under-display camera for the large internal screen. This technology hides the camera beneath the display so that no cutout is visible. However, the image quality produced by this hidden camera reportedly did not meet Apple's standards. As a result, the company decided to move away from that approach. Instead, the foldable iPhone will likely use a punch-hole camera on the internal display. The external display will also feature a punch-hole camera for selfies and video calls. Even though the familiar pill-shaped cutout seen on recent iPhones might disappear, Apple will still keep the software features that made it popular. Notifications and system alerts may still expand around the camera area, creating a similar dynamic notification experience. On the back of the foldable iPhone, the camera system will reportedly include two cameras instead of the larger multi-lens setup seen on some flagship models. The camera module itself is expected to follow a slimmer design, making the overall phone look more elegant and balanced. Another surprising change involves the phone's security system. Face recognition technology may not be included in this foldable iPhone. Because the phone's body is extremely thin, there may not be enough space inside the device to fit all the components required for the facial scanning system. Instead, Apple is expected to bring back fingerprint authentication through a Touch ID sensor built into the side button. This solution has already proven reliable on several devices and allows the phone to remain thin while still offering secure unlocking. Durability has always been one of the biggest concerns with foldable smartphones. Many early foldable devices suffered from visible screen creases and long-term hinge durability issues. Apple reportedly spent years studying these problems before deciding to release its own foldable device. Completely eliminating the crease in a folding display is extremely difficult, and it appears that even Apple has not managed to remove it entirely. However, reports suggest that the crease on the foldable iPhone will be significantly less noticeable than many current foldable phones. The company is believed to be using one of the most advanced folding displays available in the industry. The crease will reportedly appear flatter and shallower than what is currently seen on many foldable devices, which should make the screen look more seamless during everyday use. The hinge mechanism is also expected to be extremely durable. Although exact durability numbers have not been revealed yet, The hinge is designed to handle thousands of opening and closing cycles without losing its strength. Apple's goal with this foldable phone is not just to create a device that folds, but to improve the way people watch videos, browse content, and interact with apps. The large internal screen combined with the improved hinge and display technology could make movies, games, and multitasking far more enjoyable. Of course, all this advanced technology will come at a very high price. Early reports suggest that Apple's first foldable iPhone could cost $2,000 or even more. The company may position this device as a premium, ultra product that sits above its regular flagship phones. If these leaks turn out to be accurate, Apple's first foldable iPhone could become one of the most ambitious smartphones the company has ever released. A redesigned iOS experience, powerful multitasking, advanced display technology, and a durable hinge could make it a serious competitor in the growing foldable phone market. The big question now is whether Apple can deliver a foldable phone that truly feels polished and reliable from day one. For more updates on upcoming smartphones, leaks, and the latest tech news, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so no future videos are missed.